Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5. There you can find the list of the chapters. So let's just start with the chapter time. The lessons we're going to do today is schedules and timelines. Then we'll do the final test of the same chapter. We're going to start with a new chapter today, that is measurement, and the lessons are choose the appropriate customary measure, compare and convert customary unit of length. Got it? So let's just start with the first lesson, that is schedules and timelines. Let me just write down the lesson name on the board. Okay, let's start with the lesson, that is schedules and timelines. So here I am on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is time and the lesson is schedules and timelines. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, just look at the first example. Look at Tori's timeline. Does Tori go jogging before or after 8 p.m.? Okay, let's just look at the goes jogging, and jogging is before the 8. Got it? So it would be before 8. Got it? Here you have 8 and goes jogging is before 8. That means Tori goes jogging before 8 p.m. Got it? Okay, just look at the other example. Look at the Darni's timeline. Okay, here is the timeline. Had Kaya been born by 2004? Here you have child Kaya born. Got it? Kaya born on 2012. Got it? The question is, had Kaya been born by 2004? So the correct option is no, because Kaya born on 2012. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, look at the Jill's timeline. Does Jill shop for groceries before at 8 p.m.? Okay, find on the timeline where is the groceries. Okay, here it is shop for groceries. Got it? So you have to see it if it is before or after 8 p.m. So it is before the 8 p.m. Got it? Because it is before 2, so 2 is before the 8. So yes, it is before 8. The option is before. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, look at this timeline. Had Minnesota become a state at 1855? Okay, just look at the, here it is. Minnesota became a state in after 1855. Got it? Not before. See, here you have 1855 and it is after the 845. Got it? So the correct option is after. Got it? The answer is no. Got it? Because it become a state by, that would be I think 18,757. Got it? So the option is no. Got it? Okay, the next one is look at the timeline. Okay, just look at the timeline. So you have to see which of the option is the correct one. Turin hosted the Winter's Olympics. Let's see where is the Winter Olympics. Turin hosted winter. Yes, it is the correct option. Got it? Because Turin hosted the Winter Olympics. Just look at the other option. Atlanta hosted the Summer Olympics. Got it? So where is Atlanta? Atlanta hosted Summer Olympics. Both of the option is the correct one. I don't know what's wrong with the question because both the option is the correct one. Okay, the next one is look at the Kimi's timeline. Has Kimi eaten pizza at 11 a.m.? So, is eating pizza by 11 a.m.? No. He eats his pizza by 6 p.m. So the correct option is no. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is look at the Tori's timeline. Does Tori go jogging before or after 8 p.m.? Okay, find the jogging on the timeline. Okay, so here it is, goes jogging. Got it? So just look at the time on the timeline. It is, here you have 8. It is before 8 p.m. Got it? The answer is yes, it is before 8 p.m. So the correct option is before. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, look at the AB's timeline. Had AB won spelling bee by 2008? Where is no? B won spelling bee on 2010. Got it? So the correct option is no. Got it? Because it is after the 2008. Okay, the next one is look at the Shannon's timeline. Select the event that happened first. So which event happened first? Just look at the timeline. It is started high school. So the correct option is option number 1. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, look at this timeline. Did Beijing host the Summer Olympics before or after 1986? So where is 1986? Here it is, 1986. So before the 1986 only Los Angeles hosted summer. So after 1986, yes, Beijing hosted Summer Olympics after 1986. Got it? So the correct option is after. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is look at the Dani's timeline. Had Kaya been born by 2004? Okay, just go to 2004 on the number line. Here it is. The option is no, because the Kaya born on 2012. Got it? So it would be option is no. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is look at this timeline. Had Wisconsin become a state by 1876? So just go to 1876 on the number line and let's see which is the correct option, yes or no. So which of the option is the correct one? It is no. Got it? A state by 1876? No. Got it? Because it is before the 1876. So on 1876 it is Colorado. So the answer is no. Got it? Yes. Oh, it is on the left of 1876. That means the option is yes. Got it? Okay, look at the timeline. Did Steffi win a gold medal in tennis before or after 1992? So here it is 1992. Got it? So Steffi Graf wins gold medal in tennis. Yes, Steffi Graf before, because it is on the left side of 1994, so it would be before. Got it? Okay. The next one is, look at the Damon's timeline. Does Damon practice the trumpet before or after 1 p.m.? So here is 1 p.m. and he practiced after 1 p.m. Got it? Because it is on the right hand side of the 1 p.m. So it is after. Got it? Okay, we have completed the test. Let's just start with the new lesson, and the new lesson is the final test of the chapter. Got it? Just go back and let's start with the final test of the chapter. Got it? Wait, let me just load the final test. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, now we can start the final test. Got it? Here it is. Let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. So we're going to start with the final test of the chapter. Timeline. Time. Got it? So let's start with the final test. So subtract 2 minutes 43 seconds minus 1 minute 38 seconds. So basically we have to subtract the time, so we can subtract the same units. Got it? Subtract the minutes to minutes and seconds to seconds. Got it? So you have 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Here you have 2 minutes 43 seconds. You have to subtract 1 minute and 38 seconds. Got it? So just add the seconds. It would be we cannot subtract 3 out of 8, so we have to borrow 1. It would be 13 subtract 8. Got it? 13 subtract 8 is 5. Then you have to do 3 subtract 3, that would be 0. So 2 subtract 1 is 1. So we're left with 1 minute and 5 seconds. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, Darren went to visit his grandma on her birthday. He left at 7:30 and got to her house 7 hours and 35 minutes later. What time was it when Darren got there? So he left at 7:30 and got to her house 7 hours and 35 minutes. So it would be 7:35 it is when he was at home, and 7:30 at 6:30 he is that means what time was it that Darren got there? Darren went to visit his grandma for her birthday party. He left at 7:30 and got to her house 7 hours and 35 minutes. So what time was it when Darren got there? Wait. Okay, by the 6:30, 7:30, that means he left the house by 7:30 to her house. 7 hours and 30. Okay, got it. Let me just. Okay, he left at 7:30. Got it? It would be 7:30, and got to her house 7 hours and 35 minutes later. Basically, you have to add 7 hours and 30 minutes, 35 minutes to this time. Got it? So it will be 7 hours. It will be 7 plus 7 is 14. Or 12 plus it would be 2 and 5 minutes. So it would be 5:2. Got it? The correct option is 5:2. Option number C is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. 3:05. Okay, 7:30. 7 hours and 35 minutes. It is 3:05. Oh yes, it is 5:03. Got it? First you have to add the hours. Like the started time is 7:30, add 7 hours, so it would be 2:30. Got it? Then you have to add 35 minutes. So when you add 35 minutes to 2:30, it would be 3:05. So that means 5:03. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 years 7 months. You have to convert it to the months. Got it? So we know that in 1 year you have 12 months. So in 2 years you have 2 times 12. In 1 year you have 12 months. Got it? So that means in 2 years you have 2 times 12. That will be 24 months. And 2 years equal 24 months and add 7. So 24 plus 7 is 31 months. That means the total time is 31 months. Got it? The second option is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing time. Got it? So you have to find the missing time. So it would be 12:45, then 1, then 1:30, 1:45. So the missing time is each time 15 minutes is adding. Got it? From 12:45 to 1 you have the gap difference of 15 minutes. Okay, then you have 1 and 1:15 is the correct option. Got it? Because in the 1 and 1:15 you have 15 minutes difference. Got it? Okay, the next one is how many hours are in 8 days. So you have to calculate the hours in 8 days. So in 1 hour, how many? In 1 days, how many hours we have? In 1 day we have 24 hours. Got it? So you have to calculate the hours in 8 days. So you have to do 24 times 8. Got it? So 8 times 4 is 32. 2 and 3 carry 8 times 2 is 16 and 3 19. So it will be 192 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5 years plus 3 years plus and 5 months. You have to add. So you always add the same units. Got it? You have to add years to years and months to months. Got it? So just add the years. It would be 5 years plus 3 years is 8 years. Got it? 5 plus 3 is 8 years and 5 months. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next session. The next chapter. The next chapter is measurements. We're going to start the new chapter, that is measurement. And okay, just start with the first lesson, that is choose the appropriate customary unit of measure. So let me just write down the lesson name. Choose the appropriate customary unit of measure. Okay, let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I am on the lesson choose the appropriate customary unit of measure. So the first option is which is the better estimate for the weight of an airplane. So which is the correct option, 48 pounds or 42 pounds or 42 tons? Yes, 42 pounds is too light. Got it? So it would be 42 tons. Got it? So it would be 42 tons. Got it? Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink. So is it 1 fluid ounce or 1 gallon? Fluid ounce is too little. Got it? So it would be 1 gallon. Which is better estimate for the weight of an razor? Which is the correct option? 3 tons or 3 ounces? Yes, razor is a very small, so it would be 3 ounces. Got it? 3 tons is too heavy. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Okay. Which is the better estimate for weight of an razor? Weight of a razor, 3 tons or 3 ounces? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 3 ounces. Got it? Because tons is too heavy. Got it? So it would be 3 ounces. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which is the better estimate for the length of parking space? Which is the correct option, 8 yards or 8 miles? Which is the correct option? It would be 8 miles. Got it? Because yards is a smaller unit, miles is the, I think yards is the greater unit. Got it? Miles is the greater unit, but miles is too long. Got it? So the parking space can be 8 yards. Got it? So just select the correct option. Okay, got it. Okay, which is the better estimate for the volume of a plastic cup, 20 pence or 20 tablespoons? So which is the correct option? It would be plastic cup. So plastic cup is too light. Got it? It would be 20 pence. Okay, 20 tablespoon is better estimate, 20 pence is too much. Pence is a greater unit. Got it? So that means 20 pence is too much. Got it? Okay. Okay, the next one is, which is the better estimate of a fire truck? Is it 16 tons or 16 pounds? Which is the correct option? It would be 16 tons. Got it? Because pounds is a smaller unit, or fire truck is too heavy, so it would be 16 tons. Got it? Okay, the next one is, which is a better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? Is it 1 fluid ounce or 1 gallon? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. It would be 1 gallon. Got it? Because fluid ounce is a smaller unit. Okay, which is better estimate for the height of a can of soda? Which option is the correct one? 5 miles or 5 inches? Very good. It would be 5 inches. Got it? Because the 5 miles is too long. Got it? Okay, which is better estimate for the volume of paper shaker? Which option is the correct one? 11 teaspoons or 11 pence? It would be 11 teaspoons. Got it? Because 11 pence is too heavy. Got it? Okay, the next one is, which is a better estimate for the volume of a baby bottle? So it is 1 cup or 1 teaspoon? Very good. It is 1 cup. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a bag of oranges? So which of the option is the correct one? 3 pounds or 3 ounces? It would be 3 pounds. Got it? Because ounces is a smaller unit. Okay, which is a better estimate for the distance of a road from one end of a city to the other? So which is the correct option? 17 miles or 17 inches? Okay, good. That would be 17 miles. Got it? Because 17 inches is too short. Got it? So it would be 17 miles. Which is a better estimate for the length of a goose from head to tail? Which option is the correct one? 3 feet or 3 miles? 3 miles is too long. Got it? So it would be 3 feet. Got it? Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of an airplane? 42 pounds or 42 tons? Yes, pounds is a smaller unit, so it would be 42 tons. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a can of beans? 1 pint or 1 teaspoon? Which option is the correct one? Can of beans. It would be 1 pint. Got it? Because teaspoon is too light. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? And the next lesson is compare and convert customary units of length. Okay, compare and convert customary unit of length. Okay, let's start with the compare and convert customary unit of length. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is which is more, 1 foot or 18 inches. So which is more? So 1 foot is same as 12 inches, got it? So that means 18 inches is more than 12 inches. So 18 inch is more than 1 foot, got it? Because in 1 foot you have 12 inches. So 18 inches is more than 12 inches, got it? Okay, the second one, next one is which is more, 497 yards or 1 mile. So which is more? One mile equal 1760 yards, got it? So 1760 yards is more than 497 yards, got it? Okay, 36 inch equal how many yards? 36 inch equal 1 yard, got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is more, 1 foot or 18 inch? So 1 foot equals 12 inches, got it? It would be 1 foot equal 12 inches, got it? So you have to compare it to 18. So 12 or 18, which is greater? More, 18 is more, got it? That means 18 inches is more, got it? So the correct option is 18 inches. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. How many feet equal 1 yard? How many feet equal 1 yard? Wait, let me confirm. 1 yard equal, I think, 3 feet. Yes, 1 yard equal 3 feet, got it? So the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 1 yard equal 3 feet. Okay, which is the correct option? 12 inches equals how many feet? In 1 feet you have 12 inches, got it? So it would be 12 inches equal 1 feet. The correct option is 1. Which is more, 2,897 yards or 1 mile? Which is more? In 1 mile, how many yards do we have? 760, got it? In 1 mile we have 1760 yards, got it? So which is more? 2,897 is more, got it? So the correct option is the first one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, how many feet equal 1 mile? How many feet do we have in 1 mile? In 1 mile we have 5,280 feet. Got it? You can note them down and memorize them. In 1 mile you have 5,280 feet. Got it? Okay. How many yards in 36 inches? Yes, that would be 1 yard equal 36 inches. Got it? Which is more, 497 yards or 1 mile? 1 mile is more. Got it? Because in 1 mile you have 760 yards. Got it? Sorry, 1760. 1 mile equal 1760 yards. Got it? So which is more? Obviously 1 mile. Got it? This is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which is more, 1 mile or 7,601 feet? Which is more? One mile equal 5,280 feet. 5,280 feet. So which is more? Obviously 7,601. Got it? So the correct option is 7,601 feet. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, which is more, 1 foot or 15 inch? So which is more? 15 inches more. Got it? Because in 1 foot you have 12 inches. Okay, which is more, 6 feet or 1 yard? Which is more? I think 1 yard is more. Oh, 6 feet. Oh yes, 1 yard is same as 3 feet. Got it? 1 yard equal 3 feet. So obviously 6 feet is more. Got it? Okay. Which is more, 1 mile or 9,230 feet? In 1 mile you have 5,280 feet. Got it? So obviously 9,230 is more. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of lessons we have covered today. We are working on grade 5 maths. The chapter is time. We did the chapter time. The lessons we've covered are schedules and timelines. Then we did the final test of the chapter. Then we have started the new chapter, that is measurement, and the lessons we did are choose the appropriate customary measure and choose and convert customary units of length. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. I am here to answer all your questions. So if you need more help with the lessons we did today, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 4:45. Got it? So that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Bye everyone.